Right guys, what is going on? Welcome back to another video. We're out here at Broadford Raceway today for something a little bit different on the channel. It's not drifting, it's Nugget Nationals, and we're here with my uncle's little Sportivo Echo, which he's modified and he's racing in the Nugget Nationals series. Fully decked out car, it's got the race seat, it's got the cage. So the sun is shining. We're here, Broadford Raceway, racing the little Echo. Keen to see this out on track. And we'll chat to Paulie when he gets back to see how he's gone so far this morning. But it's a pretty simple setup in the engine bay. We installed a brand new alley radiator last week. The Yaris coil packs, nice strut bar, BC Racing coilovers, running the Hankook RS4 tyres. Yeah, it's a neat little package. So again, thought I'd bring you something a bit different this week in the vlog, with different content. So we're gonna get ready. We've got my little cousin over here on his walkie-talkie. Look at him, what is he doing? He's doing nothing. He doesn't even know how to change a tyre, this kid, I reckon. He's just walking off, he's got no idea. But anyway, it's a good family day out, so we'll catch up with Paulie when he gets back. Here return with the man racing today, my uncle.
Hey, how are you?
What's going on, mate? How's the car been this morning?
It's blowing a bit of smoke, but that's fine. That's just a Toyota thing.
And you've done a 1 minute 13 so far?
1:13.51.
Yeah.
I think last time round one I did a 1:13.23. That was the first time racing the car after we built it.
Yeah.
So my goal was to get into the 12s at least.
Yep.
So I'm already half a second off that, and this was meant to be just a 80% bullshit kind of drive, but
yeah,
we all pushed it. So I reckon definitely I'll get into the 12s today.
Yep.
New goal I've set is to get into the 11s.
There you go.
So the quickest last time was in the 11s.
Yep.
So we'll see what happens.
Yeah, we'll get him on track. I've got the GoPro set up in the car, so we'll get some in-car footage too, and maybe Paulie can even commentate on all that as he's pooing his pants coming down the front straight.
Literally me saying, oh fuck, oh fuck, oh fuck, oh shit, oh fuck.
All right, let's get it.
All right.
Alright, so that was the first session watching Paulie out. Geez, it's a little fun track this, man. Like, this is a perfect day. It's like 14 degrees, middle of the winter, cold for the cars, hot on track, sticky tyres. Truly, it's a cool little sport. I would love to absolutely drift this track. It would be cool if it was allowed, but I don't think it ever will be. But this is a series, like seriously, if you're looking at getting involved, I can't speak more, I guess, highly of the atmosphere, I guess, people driving it. You know, everyone's sort of the tight knit. It's like a little community. So definitely, if you're looking to get an entry level motorsport, you're looking to build in a cool, cheap car. Like my uncle built his for, I reckon, like $5,000, man. That's including purchase of the car, yeah. And they just hammer. I did do a little lap time just to see where he was at. I'm sure he'll probably update us on what he did, but I got a 1:13.79 when I did him on a lap. And yeah, you would have seen just then some of the in-car footage. It's a pretty high and hilly track, a lot of elevation change. So for these small underpowered cars, it's all about that momentum coming through the corners. So we'll head back to the pits, see how he went, and yeah, get ready to go up for the next session. So Paulie's done a few sessions now in the car. We went up for a little passenger lap with him before, which was fun. We only got a couple of laps in because someone did a bit of a whoopsie and went off the track. So yeah, we're about to go out for another session now. Paul's just getting ready to jump back in. Look at this little interior, mate. It's such a cool little car with a cage and stuff. Everything in there. My old race seat out of the JSX 110. But all in all, a good day. I'll probably get a little bit more footage of Paul, see if we can crack that 112. Right now,
so close.
Right now, I reckon
13.006.
13.006. So, and right now it's probably the peak time. It's about 2 o'clock. Well, just hit 2, and sun is shining. It's beautiful, and I reckon the track temperature is going to be like primo. So, if we can crack a 112 now, we'll be pretty pumped. But even doing a 113 flat is like ridiculously quick around this track. And this car is a 1.5 litre. It's got all of 80 kilowatt, whatever it might be. So, but ready to go. So let's go and get it. There was a bit of wind in this clip, so I just thought I'd overlay my voice. Paul was pushing the car really hard here, probably in the third or fourth stint of the day, following this little Honda Jazz in front. We didn't really know what times it was getting, but the car did look fast from where I was viewing, so enjoyed the lap.
Felt so fucking good. Oh yeah. If that's not a 12, I'm fucking.
You reckon you're on?
Oh, I killed it.
Yeah? Best lap.
12.73.
Yeah! That's what we're talking about. That's what we're talking about. It looks so quick out on track, like
13s, 16, 14, 13, 12, 9, 3, 12, 12.
yeah, I think that was the one. I think once you got past, you overtook the blue Echo and the yellow Jazz. Yeah, but you were struggling behind the yellow Jazz for like 3 laps. I think once you finally got past him, that was quick.
Because at a point, like, getting too close to him, and I felt I had to lift off a little bit,
Yeah.
and that was washing off the speed. But as soon as you let me pass,
Yeah.
it was like, fuck, I'm on it.
Yeah.
And it felt so good. Dropping the tire pressure by 1 psi at the back,
Yeah.
it's not sliding around as much.
Yeah.
Like it'll kick, but then I'll get into it, and it'll just pull it right
Pull
through.
it right through.
Oh, fuck yeah.
Unreal, that's what it's about. That is what it's about. I don't know what else to say. It's fucking sick. That's so good. What a J up. What a freaking J up. Alright. Sick day out. Great driving. Plenty more to go. I'm heading off. I'm heading home. I'm cruising.
2 more sessions to go.
Yeah.
So I reckon now that I've done a 12.7, I'll try and get into the low 12s if I can.
Yeah.
Either way, I came here with 2 goals. One was to be quicker than last time, which I obviously did that, and to get into the 12s, and I've done that again. So I've hit both my goals today, so I'm fucking wrapped. I'm happy.
Pumped. Great day out. Good driving. If you're not into motorsport, you're looking to get into it, buy one of these. They're probably more on the pricier side now, but
it's
still fun.
racing. It's cheap
Yeah.
racing.
Yeah, so anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed round 4 of Nugget Nationals at Broadford. Paulie on the steering today, and next video will be at Toyota Echo Raceway drifting mile 110, which is next weekend. So
Yeah, I'll be in Paso.
you'll be doing Paso, so racing. So we've got a few racing vlogs coming up. But anyway, stay tuned, like and subscribe if you haven't. We'll see you in the next one. Cheers.
Coming in, yeah, flex. I just wanna